One orange fruit so bright and round, juicy and sweet, a joy to be found. Two owls hoot in the dark of night, eyes wide open, a curious sight. Three octopuses in the deep blue sea, eight long arms so graceful and free. Four ostriches with legs so thin, as fast as lightning they always win. Five onions, pungent and strong, adds flavor to dishes all day long. Six otters play in the river's flow, slippery and playful they put on a show. Seven oboes with sounds so bright, playing music throughout the night. Eight oars in a rowboat glide on a lake, paddle with rhythm each stroke they take. Nine oysters snug in their beds, delightful feast some have said. 10 oxen strong and grand pulled heavy loads across the land. From orange to oxen and owl too, there's so much to learn and explore for you. So let's keep learning until we're done, and have fun with words, each and every one.